Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here. Welcome back, and today we'll be doing my first unboxing video, 1969 Torino Cobra Fastback. So let's take a look at the box first. Let's see, detailed bucket seats, okay, velocity stacks, build stock custom racing engine, a detailed 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8 engine, hood scoop, pad printed Goodyear tires and stock wheels, or Blue Streak racing tires and deep dish wheels. And let's see, says right there. Let's see, build it one of 3 ways. Stock custom racing. Kit includes all new decal sheet and many colorful options to choose from. Okay, and then there's up underneath. Shows you all the parts stuff. So now we're gonna look at it for real. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so here's all what's in here. Let's get the body and stuff out first. We got a body right here. If it'll work with me, try and do this one-handed. Here's the body. We already got a radar. Does that say something? No, grooves. Let them remove these. Big thing. Yeah, interior tub. I have to add the seats in the dash. Might need to leave these. If not, I'll trim them off. And then we got our frame. Shouldn't be too bad. So, not much suspension work. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? There, we got our seats. Got a tire and our hood. Thing of backs, yep. Yeah, be careful with this one. We got our dash, well, dash is. Price of tire parts, hood scoops, grill piece. Whatever it is, there some engine parts. Another tire rim. A few parts, I'm not sure what they are. Other one. Got our engine. Some motor parts, tire parts. Looks like roll cage, another tire, steering wheel, the racing seat, something, and looks like something to do with the exhaust, and probably some body stuff. Exhaust system. A few parts, I'm not sure what they are. Looks like it might be part of the head scoop or something. Different type of like manifolds or intakes. I think a rear bumper or something. More roll cage parts, tire parts, rims, steering wheel, whatever that is, and then I think something to do with the console. Let's see, and I left these in the package. Got our tires. Looks like a total of 8 tires. One's probably for stock, custom, one's probably for racing, and 1 metal axle. There's our windshield and back glass, and our tail lights. Left in here so that it didn't get scratched up. Same thing with the chrome. So that it didn't get scratched up. Ooh, look at these rims. Ooh, never seen this. Like, part of the exhaust system is chrome. Never got that in the kit. Let's see what else we got in here. You know, decals. Let's take a look. California, Michigan, and some Ram stuff. Well, I'd probably maybe some of this one, but we'll see. And then we got our directions that nobody really cares about, but I'll still show you all guys. So I have to manually do this all one-handed. Okay, here we go. And here it is. And then we don't need to know about this stuff. We care about this. So we're ready to start putting a motor together. And all that. So this is the stock look. And you got the custom. And then you got the racing. So they're like different carb intakes and stuff like that. And that's when you get the chrome, I think, headers or manifolds. You get the interior put together. Not too hard. Might be a little hard with that roll cage. But we'll probably go like a stock custom look. Racing seat. All that. Here's stock chassis. So we gotta put like a peg in. Okay. Yeah, this is stock, and then you got custom. What's the difference? No. I see the difference is just the motor assembly. That's like the only thing that's different. And you get the exhaust. And exhaust. The exact same thing. So the only difference is the tires. Pointless. Oh yeah, and this is with the racing motor. Oh, then this is different. And let's go to the back. So windshield and back glass put in with the whole interior symbol. And put all the rear stuff on. And then final assemblies, put the body on the frame. Put on the other stuff. Yeah, I gotta cut that out. Put that in, and then there we go. And then you got this. So, I mean, some other kits. I might get these. I don't know. I've built a 65 Ford Fairlane on the channel as a dirt track car. So I hope you enjoyed this. My first unboxing. Sorry, it might be a little long, but hope you enjoyed. And I'll start putting stuff back in the box, and we shall see y'all here soon with the build of this Cobra Fastback. See y'all later.